I'm sure you saw the new commercial from Avocados from Mexico for the big game this Sunday. You could see their new brand campaign, which is called Always Good. When you add avocado to something, it's just always good. It's always delicious and it makes everything better. So from soup to nuts, from appetizer to dessert, avocado goes well with savory, with sweet. And here are some just new and fresh ideas of how to make new things in your kitchen using your favorite fruit, which is always delicious and always in season. So to begin with, guacamole. People seem to be stuck making the same guacamole over and over again, which is a traditional with tomato, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, which of course is delicious. But you know, in Mexico, we love to pair guacamole with the fruits as the seasons move on. So now for this cupid guacamole, we paired ripe avocados with strawberries, raspberries, crunchy, juicy pomegranate seeds, and salty, tangy feta cheese. You can also use queso fresco. You can eat these with chips, with tostadas, with a side of toast. Then you also have these barbecue chicken pineapple avocado bites. Just shred rotisserie chicken or any chicken that you cook at home, mix it up with your favorite barbecue sauce. If it's spicy and sweet and tangy, with some fresh pineapple chunks, or they can also be thawed from frozen, some diced ripe avocado. It makes for hearty, filling bites. And then to please vegan and vegetarian palates, and of course, anybody that loves bold, hearty bowls. Everybody seems to be loving bowls these days. We have a black bean and quinoa bowl. You can top it with ripe avocado slices. If you have some pickled jalapenos or chipotle sin adobo sauce to add a little spice, that's also delicious too. And of course, we have to finish with something sweet. If you have your ripe avocados at home, you can make a tropical avocado ice cream. You're gonna add these to your blender with some fresh or thawed from frozen pineapple, some ripe banana, some coconut milk or any milk you have at home, a dash of something sweet like honey or maple syrup, a squeeze of lime juice. You mix that up until very smooth and creamy. Put that in the freezer. In a few hours, you have a delicious avocado ice cream. These are just a few ideas, but there's hundreds and hundreds of more recipes at avocadosfrommexico.com, where you will also find lots of tips and tricks of how to find, use, and store your favorite fruit. Avocados from Mexico.